Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys a day in the life of a remote order verifier. This is a really great work from home job that literally anyone can do. You don't need any special skills or qualifications to get started. All you need is a smartphone with a camera and an internet connection. So let's jump right into it. So usually I like to wake up around 6:30 a.m. So that way I have plenty of time to get ready and start my workday around 8 a.m. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and log into the app, and this is the home page. Once I'm logged in, I'm going to go ahead and hit Start Working. This is where you'll see all of your available shifts. Now I'm in the US, so these are all going to be in Eastern Standard Time. Right now, it's 7:56. So this shift here starts at 8 o'clock, and it S for an hour and a half. So I'm going to go ahead and take this shift. Now the reason why I like this job so much is because it's very chill. You can literally just sit back, relax, and make some money. So before I start my shift, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my workspace. It's very simple. I just have my phone propped up on a little stand, and that's literally it. Oh, and of course I have my water bottle. Staying hydrated is really important, especially when you're working a remote job. Sometimes I'll even put on a podcast or an audiobook while I'm working just to make the time go by faster. Alright, so I've got my water bottle and I'm ready to start my shift. One thing I really like about this job is that you have a lot of time freedom. If you want to work 10 hours a day, you can. If you only want to work 2 hours a day, you can. It's totally up to you. The great thing about this job is that you can literally do it anywhere. So if you want to work from your bed, you can. If you want to work from the couch, you can. If you want to work outside, you can. As long as you have your phone and an internet connection, you're good to go. So basically what we're going to be doing for this job is verifying orders for different companies. So this could be anything from food delivery to grocery delivery. It really varies. Now, this is a great side hustle if you're looking to make some extra cash. But if you really wanted to, you could do this full-time. Some people do this job full-time, and they literally just work from their phone all day. So yeah, this is pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.